Welcome to Case Tech, and this is an EduPack series using Excel, and this is best for educators. So for our first lesson, we'll be designing a schedule. So as you can see, this is a sample schedule that I have made. It's not the best of schedules, but at least we have an idea as to how to go about it. So the tools we will need for creating this is the data validation tool, which will be needed most. So to begin this, let's do a regular, let's merge this cells. So to merge, you go to home, the merge and center. Then we type in the grade level, so grade 4. So we can center it. You can change the font to your own specification. So I'm just choosing any random font. Okay, then we write, so here can be your timestamp. So we'll use lessons for our timestamp. Lessons, then the days of the week, we have them here. So Monday to Sunday. Okay, so since they are close together, I click here, then drag so that they are evenly spaced. I hope we are able to do it up to this point. Okay, now we have to input our lessons or topics. And to do this, we have to have a list. So this is my list, is in a table form. So let me convert it to a range. Let me convert it to a range. So I go to design, and then I click on range. Yes. Okay, so this is my table. So these are my subjects for today. So to use a conditional, data validation for this, we go here, and let me say, let's highlight, then highlight these. So Saturdays and Sundays are not part. So let me highlight here. Then I come to data. I click on data validation. Then I come here, I choose list because we are dealing with a list. Then I come, I go to where my list is, I highlight them. I press OK. So you can see that there are some checkboxes there. Okay, so if I want math, so say I'll just do for a few. Let's say math, English, science, art. Okay, and then maybe science. So I'm just doing 4 lessons 1 and lessons 2. Okay, so let's choose another subject. Art here, science, English, say math, and then we have another maybe math 2 period. Okay, so let me space out this ones. Let me space them out. For that, if I space them out, let's highlight these ones and make them bold. Okay. You can change the font to your own specification. You can see that as a teacher, you can't even recognize well when you have a lesson. So we can even color code these things. So what you do is to highlight them. You go to conditional format and then you click on highlight cells rules. Then you come to text that contains. So for math, I'll choose this. Okay. And let's say English, choose English. Then the same conditional format and the same process. Text that contains English, choose yellow. Okay. Then for art, social science, the same process. Cells that contain science, choose green. And for the last bit, for art, and come here, so come here. Cells that contains, so we can even so let's choose custom and see how it's done. So we can fill with in this color, then click on OK. Yeah, okay. So now let's look at it. So with this, it can help you know when you have math. So you can see math here, math here. So if there's a change in lessons, you quickly change it. And this color codes help you to identify when you have a particular lesson. Okay, so let's say if you want to add to the list, okay, you want to, maybe there's a new subject, so say social studies. Let's say social studies. Let's see whether it will appear. We can see that it's not appearing. So how do we make it appear? So we have two techniques which I will show you. So we just have to convert this into a table by pressing Ctrl T. Okay, then we change it to a table. And we just come here, we insert a cell. And we type in the social studies. Okay, so this one won't work. So if we type it in, let's go back to our schedule. Sorry. You see, it's now showing. Okay, so this is the first method. Yes, so if you want to type in add another lesson, the same process, insert cells. You should be in between the subjects. So let's say visual drama. And we go back. We can see drama there. Okay, so that's it. But there's a downside to this one too. And in our next episode, we'll learn about the other strategy. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.